So we had the flow around surface working, our goals working, and our states working, but the characters are still facing one direction. So what we want to do next is we want to make sure they actually face and move around based on their velocity. So the direction they're moving will be the direction they're facing. And it's very simple to do this. We're just going to use align to velocity. So just a very simple setup. So align on velocity node, we can just hook this in, and usually it works pretty well. Now you can run into problems later on if things aren't moving fast enough, or moving backwards and forwards, or stationary. Align on velocity doesn't work great. So we just hooked it in to the execute node here. Don't need to change any settings yet, but let's see how it works first of all. And our characters are all aligned on the ground. So they're aligned, but they're aligned on the wrong axis. So we have to figure out which axis they're aligned to. We're going to align on the z-axis in this case. And now you can see the characters now walking in the direction they're traveling. And this works pretty well straight off. And you may find if you do run into problems, and we are going to later on add an extra node to control if the characters stop moving so they don't jitter back and forwards. But you can see here they're moving as they hit the first obstacle. They will actually change direction. You can see now they change direction and actually walking around or running around the surface. They can change direction as well when they start going towards the goal. When they get to this goal, they change direction the final time. These guys are falling over. They're meant to be falling over. But you'll see as they get to the goal, they will change direction just as they did in the video. So I'm happy with this, and it's straightforward setup. Just align on velocity.